Hey, what is up, folks? Welcome back to another episode of Fish Meat for Dinner. Today we are in Florida. Yes, I will be in Florida all week this week, bring you guys some cool stuff. Basically, I'm just here for fishing, pretty much. So we got a whole week to fish here. We got this little creek here right behind our house. So this is a saltwater fed creek, and yeah, we're gonna give it a shot, see what we can get, really. I've heard there's like some type of catfish in here and possibly some redfish and some mullet and stuff, so it's definitely popping. So let's get after it. Let's do it. Alrighty, we're using some head-on shrimp today and crankbait. So I'll show you what we're gonna do here. Note, I have no saltwater fishing experience, so I've only watched YouTube videos. So what I got rigged here, I got a big kind of circle hook, you could call it. And then it goes to a weight that can slide, and then I just have it tied to my main line, which is like, I think 12-pound mono. So we got these shrimp here. Just go ahead and dump them out real quick. And these are frozen shrimp, by the way. They're not live or nothing, obviously, but these will thaw out pretty quick too. So we got a shrimp here, and where you hook them is, hold up, big here's trying to get away. So where you're supposed to hook them is like this. To go in. Oh, you can really hook them anywhere. I like doing this, or just beat it on there, almost like a Senko or something. Like that. And the head doesn't really matter. This is on there just for the hell of it, really. And then if this is broke off, I just stick that on there as well. Otherwise, I'll actually like twist it around and put it on there if it's still attached. But as long as you got something on the hook, you're Gucci. So we got our shrimp on there. And this will just sit on bottom and kind of chillax. So I got this channel with kind of branches out into 3 different things. So I just like casting out in the middle because that's where the most traffic is. So let's give her a swing. Oh yeah, right out in the middle. And then, since I'm fishing on a dock, I like just take my line, leave it straight, and then just set my rod on the dock like that. So if I get a fish, it'll just slide a little bit, and I can come over, grab it, set the hook. So yeah, just if you have frozen shrimp, just leave them out in the sun while you're fishing and they'll de-thaw and you'll be good to go. Other than that, it's not really a top water type area, so I'm just gonna be running this crankbait that dives around like 3 to 5 feet deep. It's actually freshwater crankbait by Matsui, so not sure what it's totally called, but we got that in 25-pound fluorocarbon, so see how that goes. But we're definitely betting on this rod because saltwater fish love the like actual bait, not artificial stuff, for whatever reason. We got fish over here. See how it hold it like that? My drag's not tight enough. Alright, we got a fish. Doesn't seem very big. At least not yet, because I got that weight on there. So I don't really... Oh, here we go. It's digging now. Where is she? Okay, it's right here. Okay. We got ourselves a catfish. A milk cat, I believe it's called. Let's get him up here. Oh yeah, check him out. Pretty cool fella. Always bring a pliers with you while you're saltwater fishing. Otherwise this system could get very dirty. I'm releasing these guys here. So. They make very cool noises. Yeah, I know. Get that hook out, please. There we go. Got the hook out. That's what this fella looks like. Pretty cool little catfish. Toss him back. See you, friend. Oh yeah, caught him on the shrimp. Sweet. So, if you guys have like your bait that's like all torn up, just chuck it out there for chum. There, I'm from Wisconsin. I never saltwater fished in my life, like by myself, unguided, and I'm catching shit. So I'm gonna grab another shrimp here. A little bit more thawed out now. Run it up to its back. Turn around. And I like to stick the tail part through like that, so that we got the bait on there more securely. The shrimp are pretty fragile. Like if you're sometimes where you bomb it out there and then it comes off mid-air and you're like, oh, now I gotta reel this back in. Alright, that's like way out in the middle. Awesome. I'm gonna set that up exact same way. Line tight, chilling on the dock. And if we get fish, it'll start pulling on it. Big.
I think it's a manatee.
Huh?
Catfish. With some weird, it's a baby shark.
Oh, it's a cool little fish. I don't know, but it's got some decent bite to it.
It's a catfish. Look at that little catfish.
Look, he's cool color.
Get that net of yours? Listen to him, Mark. Yeah, listen, when Max touches him.
Sounds like a chicken.
There's some paper towel in the house. You want me to get you some?
Yeah.
Oh, there's your shrimp. That's funny. The way he...
See you, friend. Alright, we're hooked up again here. Same rig, same rod. This actually feels a little bit better.
Maybe it's his brother.
Could be. Ooh. Loosen my drag a little bit. Same type of fish, but a little bit bigger. Fun fight.
Meow, kitty.
Yeah. Cool. A little bit bigger than the last one. We're just gonna give him a good old shove off the dock. Goodbye. Ah, did it come up? No, I still got it. It's coming towards us. Still
Another little catfish.
I don't know. Feels different.
Spiraling around. That's a catfish again.
This place is just loaded with catfish.
That was a little bigger.
Sweet.
There's the paper pole.
That's what he looks like. He's pretty cool looking. We'll let him go. Your friend.
There's a fish on the outback.
Alrighty, folks, hooked up again.
That one I think you net it because that's always the best.
Yeah. Another little catfish. Got mine on that job. A catfish on a shrimp.